Japanese secrets of removing wrinkles. Wrinkles and fine lines. This mask whitens the skin and eliminates pigmentation, eliminates wrinkles around the eyes, eliminates wrinkles around the mouth and forehead. It firms the skin and fights skin aging. Now let's move on to the recipe. Please like the video, help us thank you. For this recipe, we need instant coffee. You can use any instant coffee for this recipe. We need egg whites, separate the protein from the yolk. Egg white instantly tightens the skin, lifting effect. Egg white temporarily tightens the skin when it dries. This smooths fine wrinkles, makes the face look tight, gives the skin a lifting effect, especially noticeable around the eyes, forehead, and lips. Supports collagen production. Egg white contains proteins, amino acids, albumin. They help restore skin cells and increase elasticity. Narrows pores. Egg white shrinks enlarged pores, makes the skin look smooth, controls sebum secretion. This slows down the deepening of wrinkles. Brightens skin tone with regular use. Skin brightens. Dullness is reduced. Face looks healthy, very useful for oily and sagging. Skin. Egg white absorbs excess. Firm skin makes the face look clean and tight. We first added the instant coffee. Now mix the egg whites a little until they form foam. And mix well until the coffee dissolves in the egg whites. Dear friends, write in the comments which country you are watching our channel from. It is very interesting to know. This recipe also requires cornstarch. Add the cornstarch and mix well. Mix well a spoonful of almond oil or vitamin E capsule. Apply the mask to a cleansed face. You can use a brush to apply the recipe to your face. It is applied to the entire face. You can apply it to the wrinkles around your eyes. Let the mask dry on the skin for 30 minutes. Then rinse. After removing the mask, you will notice that your skin has tightened. By continuing the recipe, the mask is applied twice a week. Your skin will be clear and free from all blemishes. Your skin will be free from wrinkles and fine lines. You are a child with fair skin, without pigmentation and dark spots. This recipe is a natural anti-wrinkle Botox. So this is the secret to Japanese skin beauty. Dear friends, write in the comments which country you are watching our channel from. It is very interesting to know. Please help us by liking the video and subscribing to the channel. Thank you.